What's up, everybody? So we came out to Mexico last night and played around in the streets a little bit and hurt the truck. So I didn't have my laptop last night, unfortunately, so we were just playing around on my daily driven tune, fairly conservative, and we made a few passes, and then on the last pass, check engine light came on, truck went into limp mode, and backed out of it, gimped it back to the parking lot. But like I said, I didn't have my laptop last night, so I drove back out here this morning, loaded it up on this trailer, and we're gonna see what we got going on here. What I think happened was we melted the cats, and this truck is still on the stock exhaust system, and I just don't think it liked the 13 pounds of boost. So with that being said, I got a misfire on cylinder 1 and 3, and I'm hoping with the forced air going through the motor, it's supposed to exit through the exhaust, of course, but if you got stock exhaust, maybe it found somewhere else to exit. So what do we got? We have, sorry, I'm trying to focus this thing. Yep, there's our codes, and I did just run this truck a little bit, data logged it. I'm gonna send it over to my tuner. Incomplete catalyst, incomplete. Heated catalyst not supported. Evaporative system incomplete. Oxygen sensor incomplete. So I think they'll be able to tell me, but pretty much I think we got to get rid of this exhaust system and put something else on there. The truck doesn't like it, and at this point I'm really hoping we did not hurt the motor. The exhaust is making a horrible noise, and I did see a little bit of coolant come out of the tailpipe, as well as some smoke. The boys, there was some trailing cars last night that blocked traffic for us, and they said the truck shot out a lot of white smoke, somewhere around 140, 150 miles an hour. So like I said, I shut it down, I gimped it back to the parking lot. Hopefully we didn't hurt the motor. If we did, we did. You know, I mean, stuff happens. So I'll shoot this log over to my tuner, and then I think this truck is going to go to a shop, because I'm not going to mess around with the exhaust while it's over there. They can go ahead and take the bed off and do some things under there. And you know, we got some stuff planned for next year, so we're just going to get a head start on it, I guess. So thanks for tuning in, everybody. I'll keep y'all posted. Just subscribe to the channel and turn notifications on. Always give me a thumbs up. Thanks a lot. Thanks for everyone who supports, and we'll get this truck back together.